Hello everyone. This is going to be a presentation from team number 20. The project that we are working on is called Soccer Station, and the names of the members of the teams are as shown in the slide: Paul, Vinay, Kartikeya, Rohit, Sham, and Akhil. And these are our corresponding IDs. We have unique roles to play in this project development, and we have allocated them according to our skill set. So, giving you an overview of the progress till now, we as a team, from the initiation of our team being formed and working on this project, have successfully learned what our project has to offer through all those tasks done before coding. All the brainstorming tasks, UML diagrams, etc., helped us to know the project better before we started implementing it. Taiga has been very helpful in that task. It helps us to be up to date. Now, the diagram on the next slide will show more about our progress and what we look forward to in the coming sprints. What we did, what we are doing, and what we will do. So this diagram speaks for itself. So as you can see, the first sprint which has been completed, focused more on user registration and login pages. We had a basic UI setup which authenticated users, registered them, and enabled them to log into pages. We made sure that we did not implement navigation by then, only the front end landing page, the login, and the registration. In the second sprint, which is completed, we completed role-based logins and landing pages for individual actors involved in the Soccer Station website. We made sure that when a referee logged in or a team director logged in, he was led to his respective landing page without him being asked what his role was. So we did that in the second sprint. We also made sure that there was a minimal amount of UI involved, but did not delve deep into working on the user interface. And our sprint one was exactly planned. I mean, whatever we pulled from our backlog, we finished it. We had to move few stories from sprint 2 to sprint 3 because we had over planned, maybe because we finished sprint 1 on time. That is the reason why we pulled in more stories for sprint 2, and we had to move few into sprint 3. But never mind, we are on the path to finish it. Talking about sprint 3, the focus on sprint 3, the ongoing sprint, is back-end and front-end integration. I mean, we are making the integration more robust. We're working on the DB side as well, and we're making it robust to make sure that a smooth transitioning happens. We are also in this progress checking for any warnings on the DOM side, and we are also making sure that we improve our user interface. As of now, we made sure that we have a live video that is in loop going on at the sign up and sign in page. We also smoothened the UI, made it better, made it more responsive. We've implemented sidebars, and we've also implemented the visiting of another third-party site for the rules up till now. And we look forward to doing more to making this application more robust as we work on the sprint 3. We do have a week and a half left, and we are looking forward to meeting our roles. At the end of the sprint 3, what we expect is that all the actors will be having their UI, their landing page, their landing pages, and they will be able to do their tasks. That is what we look at the end of sprint 3. And in the sprint 4, that is in the coming weeks, that is to do, we will be further implementing each user's tasks. I mean, we will be implementing a user's, an audience's uh, payment gateway, and we will be working on managing teams, booking tickets, and stuff like that, stuff around that. We will be looking into that. We'll make sure that each actor involved will be able to do the tasks assigned to them properly. And in the fifth sprint, we look forward to integration of all the tasks of the user and end-to-end testing. We are planning to write unit test cases and test our application from end to end, making sure that it doesn't have any errors. That is what we look forward to. So this is an overview of what was done, what is being done, and what will be done in the days to come, in the sprints to come. So this is how our current sprints task board looks like. We have our tasks distributed all over the board. Few of them are new, few of them are closed, and few of them are in progress. As you can see, it shows of a healthy chart, a healthy task chart. So we are working to make sure that we include all the tasks that are involved, inclusive of tests as well. As you can see, we are testing whatever we write. When we say testing, it is peer review. We're giving it to our team members to check our code. That is what we are doing. And this is a burnt down chart for the current sprint. As of today, you see that our chart is looking healthy. So we hope that we'll be able to complete our tasks by the end of the sprint, that the planned task for by the end of the sprint. And this is a screenshot of one of our previous Git branches. We've been successful in committing our code to Git. On an average, each person in our group has 3 to 4 commits per sprint. And we're looking forward to doing more in the days to come as our workload increases, to make sure that we have at least 6 to 7 Git commits at the end of the sprint per project member. The issues that we faced are like these two issues. We came together as a team and we deduced two issues. The first one being that we have planned our tasks well with the help of Taiga. It helps us to be streamlined with things, but sometimes we fall short of our timelines and end up moving stories to next sprint as we overplan. This happened to us in our sprint number 2. So we need to learn the art of allocating stories perfectly. The second issue is another issue faced by our team members is sometimes we fail to do peer review, because of which we have minor setbacks. We have now allocated tasks of testing which involves peer review of each other's code, which has helped us recognize the errors that we who code tend to overlook, but our peers, I mean, they don't, and we correct our code. So this is the YouTube link to our intermediate Soccer Station team number 20 stance of Soccer Station application. We have made sure that we covered all the aspects done till today, till the mid of sprint 3, and we hope to finish all the user stories that were pulled for this sprint. Thank you so much.